There's always a holiday coming up. And I'm talking about holidays like Christmas holidays, Easter, things like that. I'm not talking about holidays the way our British friends talk about holidays. To them, a holiday is a vacation. Oh, we're going on holiday for the summer. My plan is to go on a 6-month holiday twice a year. That's my dream holiday. But for this video and for your income, we need to be talking about holidays in the context of special occasions coming up. There's always a holiday coming up. And there are far more than you might think. You can actually go to this iCalendars location and get a whole list of holidays that you might have forgotten about. Groundhog Day, Lincoln's birthday. Now I know, again, you Brits, I know that you British don't celebrate Lincoln's birthday, but you should. Valentine's Day, Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, all of these, Father's Day, Flag Day, Armed Forces Day, Mother's Day, Cinco de Mayo, all of these are holidays. There's like 3 a month if you want to really look at the ones that aren't just federal holidays, the traditional holidays like Thanksgiving. Again, sorry, British, to bring that sore spot up. And for some reason, we were over in your wonderful country. We were in England and Scotland, Wales, going all over, as we've done many times before. We love Great Britain, the United Kingdom. We love it. But we were over there 1 July, and you guys didn't celebrate the 4th of July. That's Independence Day. I didn't hear one firecracker go off the whole day. You need to get your act together. But take a hint from every single advertisement you almost ever see at any department store, grocery store, any store whatsoever. They're always talking about Valentine's Day, Easter, or anything like that. They always try to latch onto a holiday, and they make a lot of money. You should do the same, and you should be running sales whenever there are holidays. I'm about to do a Christmas holiday sale because right now it's November 24th. It's too late to run a Thanksgiving sale, so I'm going to run a Christmas sale. And I'm going to put all of my vintage Christmas items, and in one of my selling accounts, my personal account, I'll show you here what I'm going to do. I thought I need to start my vintage Christmas sale of the year that I always do. And I thought, well, I should show you how to do this. Now, I've before shown you how to do a coupon sale, how to run a coupon, also called a coded coupon. And then I show you right here how to do that in this video. And you need to know how to do coded coupons. Those are my favorite ways to put something on sale because people often forget to enter the code. They just forget all about it, but you get a lot more exposure. eBay loves to show sellers who have things on sale, and they put in bold letters whenever your items come up in a list that there's a sale going on or there's a coupon, there's a discount of some kind. eBay promotes our items and raises us in the search engine, and more buyers see our items in a list of results. This seller is trying to help you out. This seller has a coded coupon. This seller has put this item on sale. Even though I think coded coupons are the best way to make money, I also think whenever there's a big holiday coming up, you need to put things actually on sale. You need to run a discount of some kind in a category or two that holds items related to that holiday. If you have a category for that holiday, and usually Valentine's Day, Easter, Christmas, Halloween, usually those are large enough categories for people who sell everything, as most of us do here on this channel. Mostly, those major holidays, you probably have a store category already created for that holiday if you have a store, and you should have a store, or else you can't run a lot of these sales and coupons that I'm showing you. Stores have a lot of advantages I've talked about elsewhere, I'll talk about in the future, but right now, let's look at how to run a Christmas sale. What you do is you go to Seller Hub, click your marketing tab, and we are going to then go over and create a discount. What type of discount? A coupon? No. An order discount? No. I don't want to give my buyers on Christmas items, buy 3, get 1 free or something like that. I want to run a sale like a markdown event. I want to mark down all my Christmas vintage items by a certain percent. Now, What is the percent? Well, again, it's 1124. Or for those of you in England, it's 2411. They always put the day first for some reason. Anyway, it's still pretty early for a Christmas sale, but I want to start moving items out of my Christmas inventory. So I'm going to run a 9% sale. I'm going to run an 11% sale. I really like two-digit sales, and 10 looks a little funny, 10% off. So I'm going to run an 11% off. 13, 17, I like odd numbers. 11 is good. I'd rather run a little bit larger. 11 is a little low, but it's still early, and it's going to get me some sales that I wouldn't get otherwise. Now, when do I want to start it? I want to start it today. It's November 24th, 2024. When do I want to end it? Well, this one I want to end about the 6th of December, because on the 6th of December, I'm going to increase. I'm going to start a new markdown sale that's closer to about 23%. I really want to get 3 or 4 or 5 days of last-minute buys, and I want to encourage people at that point to take what's left in my inventory. So I'm going to run this about a week and a half or so, starting right now, ending whatever. What is the detail, the offer name? It doesn't really matter, but for my own purposes, I like to say Christmas sale 11% off. So that's just a description for me. Here is where you choose what goes into this sale. I want everything in my Christmas vintage inventory. Now, I have a store category called Christmas Vintage. I've also got Christmas decorations, probably Christmas decor. I probably should put everything I have on Christmas on sale, but I don't really want to. I have mostly vintage items, and that's what I really want to promote in this sale. So I'm going to go to not specific items, not all my inventory. I don't want everything to sell. eBay categories, no, I want to go to my store category. See, there's a difference. If you have a store, you have things separated into categories that you have created, such as Christmas vintage, women's clothing, things like that. I don't want eBay categories. I want one of my store categories to have a markdown sale. So I'm going to add the store, and I'm going to find Christmas vintage. I have 139 items right now, it says. I've got 10 Christmas decorations, but I'm just going to do Christmas vintage, and I'm going to then add that one category. Not more. I could choose more, but I'm going to add the one category by clicking the Add Category button. And that's it. I wish they had a little bit better review screen, but they don't. I want to run at 11% off for about a week and a half or so. Start time doesn't matter. This is just a name for my own sake. Just call it whatever you want. Your buyers don't see this. Store category is what I chose. Christmas vintage items. I'm now going to launch my sale. When you do that, eBay will immediately show you all your promotions. Now, I went ahead and just chose discounts. It actually defaults to coupons, order discount, shipping discount, volume discounts, and the screen was just too busy. But these are the 3 sales I'm running right now, discount sales. I'm running 11% off the Christmas items that I just showed you. I'm running 37% off a very select group of items that I have. They actually are Christmas items. They are Christmas Advent calendars that are worth close to $100. And now that it's almost December 1st, I need to get those out of here sold. So I'm running a 37% off those $100 Advent used vintage collectible Advent calendars that have about a $100 price tag on them that my wife bought for $1 at a sale somewhere. $1 to $100 is pretty good. Therefore, I feel we can drop down to 37% to get the few that remain out the door. What do you do when you buy a $1 item and a buyer puts $63 in your hand wanting that item? You close your fist and take the $63. And then I've also got a sale running on my Longaberger baskets for a while. So this is what we're going to see. Now, what does it look like whenever your buyer looks at one of your items on sale? Well, it looks like this. Save up to 11%. And if they click this link, they will see everything I'm offering on this Christmas sale event, see eligible items and terms, and they can look at everything in my store that is on 11% off sale right now, but it's all Christmas stuff. This is a pencil Santa. Anytime you see a very long, tall Santa Claus carving, wood carving candle or something like that, that's called a pencil Santa. Even if it's much larger and much thicker and much heavier than a pencil, because of the shape, it's like a long laddie pencil. This is called a pencil Santa Claus. They're very popular. and this is an old one in the box, asking $24.88 on, but they get 11% off. Notice if anyone looks at a listing, a nice extra here that catches the eye, this is actually on sale. You get 11% off, and also eBay will do this for your buyer. It will show you what it was, but it's 11% off. See that? Therefore, they're getting it for $24.88. Or best offer. Why don't I turn off best offers on items that I run sales on? Why would I do that? A buyer can buy this for $24.88. What if some buyer offers me $24.25? Do I not want an offer like that? What if some buyer offered me $23.95 for this? Why wouldn't I want that offer? That's a great offer. Of course I'll take that. So I always keep offers turned on whenever I run sales, and you should also. This is why every major department store on earth has holiday sales. And if you look at a store like Walmart, they have a holiday sale for lots of minor holidays that really aren't that big of a deal. And you can just make up your own, have a hot weather event. You can always find something to latch a sale onto. And I'm talking about a discount sale. To summarize, I think you should always be running coded coupons on certain items in your store. But whenever you want to latch on to a calendar event like a holiday, then you need to run a markdown sale, a percent off sale on your items. And eBay makes it so easy to just select a category. You can even take individual items. Instead of selecting a category, I could have created an event on 6 items in my inventory. eBay will let you select over there instead of a category. It will let you select specific items in your inventory to run a sell event on, and you can just run a sell on 6 unrelated items if you want to. Why do I run sales? Because I want to make a lot of money. I'm not in the storage business, I'm in the sales business, and that means I want the money coming in. So should you. And a sell event is a great way to get your money coming in.